I'm going to put a dovetail end on this. So I'm just going to fold it, cut the folded side to the wired point. Nice little dovetail. And you don't want to go too far. About 2 inches up. Go ahead and pinch in. We're doing a small miniature hand-tied bow. You're going to create your loop. Bring it back to the center. Pinch, pinch, pinch. Remember, we got to get that twist. Make another loop. Pinch, pinch, pinch. Twist. And then I usually like to take it while I'm holding everything together. Just make sure that I kind of got it all squared away. I just kind of cut off the excess of what I don't need. I'm going to create a little bit of a space here so that I can do the same thing. I've created that loop. I'm going to take the ends, push it through the center of my loop. I've got one that's a little bit smaller. This is where needle nose pliers can really come in and aid you with a nice tight end. Here now I can dovetail my end. I left it a little longer. That's okay. I'd rather it be longer than short. Okay, so now we've got her bow, but we're going to do the same thing. We're going to go up and over from the back, up and over from the front, and then here at the back, same thing. Crisscross, put a nice little twist in it, and cut off the excess. Okay. Go ahead and square up your bow. Push that metal piece down so it's flush. So what we have done